Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with IP phones in Cisco packet tracer environment. In this example, I have two switches. One is 3650-24PS. P means POE. That means these ports has power on it. And this is 2960-24TT. T means twisted pair only. That means these ports doesn't provide power. Because this matters when it comes to powering your Cisco IP phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the IP phones in these switches. Let's open the CLI of this switch, type in enable to go to the privilege mode, and let's see how much power this switch has. Show power inline, and this will tell how much power you have in this switch. Available power 780 and remaining power 780. So let's go to the physical view and find out how many power supplies we have. So we have two power supplies here. Let's go back to the CLI and find out how much power each of these power supply provides. Show environment power. Each power supply is 640. So that means you are going to get 1280 total power. However, if you look at show power inline, you are only getting 780 available for PoE. That means remaining power has been reserved for the operation of the switch. This is important because if you are going to power these IP phones using the PoE on the switch, you need to understand how power work on the switch. So let's get out of this CLI mode and connect an IP phone to this switch port. So go to IP phones here. It must be under these computers and peripherals. IP phone. Let's bring back an IP phone. This is a 7960 IP phone. Go to connections. This is an automatic connection. Okay, it is connected to gig 101. Let's fast forward the link. That means if you click on this fast forward, this will become forwarding state immediately. It's like a port fast. So let's go back to the switch and find out show int status. You see the IP phone is connected here. And let's look at show power inline. And you can see IP phone is classified as a class 3 device and it is utilizing 10 watts of power. However, each port has 30 watts of reserved power. Quit and let's verify this IP phone. Show CDP neighbor because it is an IP phone. Cisco can detect as a CDP device. And you can see IP phone has been detected. Platform 7960. Let's get the details of this phone. Show CDP neighbor detail. And now you can see device IP phone and you can see version and it is connected to the switch in the full duplex mode. I'm going to close this CLI and show you one more thing about this IP phone connectivity. Click on this IP phone and you can go to the physical view and you can see power supply is here for the IP phone. However, we did not connect the power supply to the IP phone. It is getting the power from the switch itself. So let's connect this one and see what happens. See which take the priority. Shut down the port and bring back the port. Conf t int gig 101 shut, no shut. Let's go back. Now see how it is getting the power. Show int status. It is connected and see whether it is getting the power from the switch or it is getting the power from the power brick connected to the IP phone. Show power inline. And now you can see it is not getting the power from the switch itself. It is getting the power from the power brick. So power brick take precedence when you connect an IP phone. So therefore, if you are connecting an IP phone using a power brick, it won't take the power from the switch itself. Close this out and go back to the non-POE switch. Enable, and let's look at the power. Show power inline, and you can see there is no output. That means this switch doesn't have a POE. So if a switch is not POE, you need to connect the power brick to the IP phone so it can get connected to your network. Show int status, nothing connected. Let's bring an IP phone, connect it to the switch, and I'm going to fast forward the link. And you can see the link won't come up because you need to power this IP phone using the power brick. Click the phone here, go to the power brick, and bring it and connect it. So this is the reason they put the power brick on a separate module. Close, and you see it is showing the link here. Let's fast forward, and now you see this link is up. Let's go back to the switch, show int status, and you see now it is connected. Let's do show CDP neighbor details, and now you can see the phone details here. Show CDP neighbor, and that will give you where it is connected. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to configure voice VLAN in the Cisco switch and how voice VLAN and access VLAN works together so you can connect a computer to the IP phone and get connected to the data network. If this video is informative to you, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.